One World, Our Home, An Experiment Gone Wrong by Aanya Panda. Author and illustrator. My name is Aanya Panda. I'm 10 years old. Gymnastics always brings a smile to my face. When I grow up, I would love to be an illustrator like Quentin Blake. Dedication. I dedicate this book to my fabulous family and dearly loved friends. Not long ago, there was a cat called Mojo. You could always find him in his garden, be it night or day. He was so obsessed with his garden that people called him Farmer Cat. No one could ignore his field, filled with all the vibrant flowers, exotic fruits, and organic vegetables imaginable. He worked hard and his garden was pulchritudinous as a result. One day, Jimmy, Mojo's money-obsessed friend, who had witnessed how hard Mojo was working to maintain his field and felt sympathetic for him, told him about an easier way of farming. Mojo, chemical farming is amazing. I've tried it myself and it works wonders, said Jimmy, his eyes shining brighter than stars as he spoke about this miracle. It's cheaper, involves less work, grows your plants in a shorter period of time, and best of all, it gives me more money. Mojo, after hearing Jimmy's suggestion, was willing to try chemical farming. He attempted it and was overjoyed by the results. Bright, healthy flowers and scrumptious fruits within a matter of days. As the years went on, Mojo noticed his garden was deteriorating in beauty and elegance, every flower shrivelling up and hiding like a butterfly in a cocoon. Along with the garden, his health, the quality of the vegetables, and his love to spend time in the fields, which had once been the only source of happiness, were also diminishing. After a few years, Mojo's eyes watered uncontrollably, and his stomach was always in pain. Every doctor knew what was wrong, but Mojo wouldn't accept it until he saw it. His land was ravaged, the soil was decayed. No plants lived merrily as they once did on the land, and if they did, the plants were as lively as pebbles. The chemicals had ruined everything. His head, once held high, was now bowed in embarrassment since he hadn't managed to save his yard. This would have never happened had he stuck to organic farming. Tears of loss were moments away from raining down. What had he done? Determined not to give up on his land, Mojo researched to find that many people had experienced the same problem as him. As he scrolled down the page, a series of solutions were ready to greet him. Mojo used animal and plant remains to fix the soil. It was a strenuous task, but rewarding. Everything returned to its original state: lush grass, healthy vegetables, delectable fruits, and vibrant plants, a rainbow of colours in every row of flowers. All tears were replaced with sighs of joy and relief. What did we learn from Mojo's soil story? The easiest way out is not always the best solution. Save soil!